Tasted that one down in Cuba. Pops and the boys, good work right there. And the current Votomatic, no doubt running in the lead. And Justin, Rock Your Body right behind.
And in that Rock Your Body video, he's beatboxing. It's Battle Thursday. That's we're doing beatboxing. We have Shinzo and Scratch Cat. How you two doing?
I'm just chilling right now. It's a nice vibe to just come down here and show support.
All right.
Yeah, it's a chance to show what I can do. Basically, I'll show you guys what I can do right now. So.
Okay.
These guys are pretty excited. And we're all pretty excited to have you guys here. This is gonna be awesome.
Well, this is how it goes down on Battle Thursday. Audience, 2 rounds. You each have 30 seconds for this round. Then we're gonna take a commercial break. We'll come back for another round.
Okay.
And after that, it's up to you by applause. You get to decide who's gonna win this. So, Scratch Cat, you're gonna go first.
That is correct.
All right, we'll give you
Shinzo,
some room.
come on over here, man.
Make some noise.
I'm gonna do it like this and bring it up.
Shinzo.
Scratch Cat, nicely
Great work,
done.
my friend. Excellent stuff right there. What, Shinzo, what do you think of that?
That was good. That was good. That was good.
Think you can beat
No
that?
doubt. No doubt. I don't know, but it's pretty good. It's pretty good. I'll try.
All right.
You ready?
All right,
All right.
Shinzo,
Make
have
some noise
fun.
for Shinzo, everybody. That was wicked, man.
Ladies and gentlemen, listen to the original Godfather noise.
Got a crush on you, sweet lady.
Enhance beat, rock, sing. No sweat. All right.
Yeah. Yes, man. Well done. Come on, Scratch Cat.
Scratch Cat,
Just
come
back
back
up. That was
in.
excellent. Shinzo, stay in, man. Stay on in.
Shinzo,
That was
stay with us.
amazing.
You know what I
That
love
was so-
watching? Not only the beatboxers competing, but the other beatboxer going, yeah, that's right. We're taking a break right now. Round 2 coming up.
Well
Don't leave
done,
us.
guys.
Oh, wow.
Well done.
Welcome back to Much on Demand. It's Battle Thursday. We have 2 beatboxers, Shinzo and Scratch Cat. This is round 2. Shinzo, you're going to go first this time?
Excellent.
All right, we'll give you some room.
Come here. That was weak.
Open up your mouth, man. Let me see what's in there. What's in that mouth, man? You gotta have a machine in there. That was wicked.
Who needs a DJ?
That is awesome.
All right, Scratch
Good
Cat.
work, man.
Scratch it up. Here you go, round 2.
Artificial, premature, all upon a facing paralytic, free I assault, penetrate things, broken berry, purse, pounded, by the Pompey, buildings are basically a bombarding, casually create catastrophes, casualties, canceling cats, up, they canopies collapsing, extra terrestrial, electrical, perilous, beyond the energy, everyone affected, be efficiently, epitomize, excellence, extrava, can elevate, put the impressions,
Human
Shinzo.
records. We got Scratch
Yes,
Cat
sir. Well done,
and
man.
Shinzo. Audience, it's up to you. By applause. Is it going to be Scratch Cat? Make some noise. Or Shinzo. Thanks, guys.
Nicely done,
Shinzo,
guys.
the title goes to you. But Scratch Cat, you have something up and coming. What's that?
Actually, I have a show. It's coming up. It's at Woodbine in Danforth, a place called Mackey's. The event is 19 and over, and it's. Can I give the date or?
Really quickly, yep.
April 22nd. That's what it is.
Okay,
Cool,
cool.
guys. Scratch Cat, Shinzo, thanks for coming by. Let's get to
Problem.
the videos. We
Problem.
stopped the Votomatic. It's running, no doubt. Check it out on Much On Demand. That was excellent, guys. Thank you.